This one seems to have the most bees, but I'm not sure there's a queen. This one has a verified queen. Not too many brood yet, but then I had to kill a queen that was hatching. And the one on the far right here, furthest away from the house, looked good, and there was good brood pattern. I didn't see a queen, but I think there's a queen. So I think they're all okay. Anyway, so that's our 3 hives and the spring inspection.